Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, keyless start, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, front-wheel drive. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.